Hello, tubers. Welcome again to Dr. Jet's kitchen this time. My laboratory is full of guitars at the moment. Anyway, this motor arrived in the mail today, and I thought I would share some thoughts with you about the Challenge and the Challenge motor. The Challenge is to use a 2030 motor in a 10-inch or a 12-inch boat that will do a task. Now, let me share some of my experience with little motors and lightweight boats. This is 14 inches, I believe, and is powered with a 2030 motor and a 10 amp speed control, and it had a 1 milliamp 2S battery. This thing was highly overpowered. It would do space shuttle imitations. It would do submarine imitations. It would do all sorts of things. It was way too overpowered. And I think I used one of those 26 millimeter CNC props. But it was still, and this, if we look in here real close, I don't know if you can see it or not, is 3000 kV. This one is 3100 kV. The one that arrived today is 4600 kV, 4800 kV. This, here we are, this, I don't know if I can find a propeller that's going to work with this. This might be a challenge. 3000 kV turned a 26 millimeter prop. Anyway, I ran some numbers on my calculator, and it said this motor, which is 3000 RPM per volt, 3100, would turn a 1-inch propeller, basically a 427 cut down to 1 inch, and would draw 17 amps. That's a bit much for this 10 amp speed control, and I don't know if we'd get the runtime out of a 60 gram battery. This is going to be, you guys are going to have a real challenge on your hands. You're going to have to do your homework to find out which 2030 motor is going to be the motor that you go with. Now, there's nothing saying you can't put a gear drive in it and take a high kV motor, turn some gears, and turn a bigger prop at a slower speed. Oh, just a thought. So anyway, you guys are up for a challenge. That's why I'm giving you 6 months to come up with your best shot, because it's going to take a lot of testing. I don't know. I may wind up using this motor just because of the low kV, although this one's pretty close, 3000 versus 3100. We'll see. We'll see. I might just start with this one because I don't have to take this out. So anyway, guys, that's some of my thinking. I hope you're working on your solution. Jet out.